Amazon Prime Huawei P20 Lite, how to get the best deal on latest Huawei iPhone. Amazon Prime Day has finally arrived, with hundreds of great deals on offer for shoppers to get their hands on. Here is how to get the best deal on the latest Huawei iPhone. Consumers are jumping online today to get their hands on the latest deals from Amazon Prime Day. One of the biggest shopping days of the summer, Prime Day unleashes hundreds of great deals online, dropping prices on TVs, cameras, and groceries for a limited time. Prime Day lasts roughly 36 hours, so shoppers don't have long to get the best deals. If you are looking to grab a new smartphone during Amazon Prime Day, you can snag a great deal on phones like the OnePlus 6, Redmi and the Huawei P20 Lite. Amazon Prime Day Huawei deal. Those in the market for a new smartphone may want to go for one of the many great Android devices available at the moment. Apple phones are soaring in popularity, but there are a number of Android phones that rival the iOS device. Amazon Prime Day is offering big discounts on the new P20 Lite Huawei iPhone, which has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It comes with a full HD and display and 2.5D color-changing curved glass back. It runs on Android 8.0 Aria out of the box and is powered with Huawei's Kirin 659 SoC. The phone has a 16MP plus 2MP dual primary camera. You can pick up the Huawei P20 Lite, single SIM, for £249, down from £329, or the P20 Lite, dual SIM, for £209, down from £329. There is also the SIM-free version which can be collected for £467, though this isn't included in the Amazon Prime Day deal. Alongside this, Amazon is offering large discounts, in some cases more than £150 off, on various models of the highly rated Huawei Watch 2 smartwatch. The Huawei Watch 2 4G Sports smartwatch, which normally retails at £316.63, is temporarily on sale for £182.99, a discount of £133.64 or 42%. The Huawei Watch 2 Sports smartwatch normally retails for £276 but is available for £149.99, a saving of £149.99 or 46%. Finally, the Huawei Watch 2 Classic smartwatch is discounted to just £207. That's a fantastic £152 off the usual RRP of £359. How to get the best Amazon Prime Day deals. To make the most of Amazon Prime Day, shoppers are advised to sign up to an Amazon Prime subscription. Having a Prime account will give you notifications on when new deals come through, as well as better deals on some of the best items. Even if you are not registered, you can still take advantage of the offers by registering for the 30-day free trial. But if you choose to go via this route, remember to cancel your membership before the 30-day trial ends to avoid being billed the full £79 annual fee. The best way to keep on top of Amazon Prime Day is to download the Amazon app on your phone, which is available in the App Store for iOS, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. You can set notifications for your favorite items to see if they come on sale, as well as preview deals before they go online. You can also get the Amazon Assistant tool as a Chrome extension. Download the tool to compare prices, get deal notifications and create wish lists.